Welcome back to a new episode of Tax Insight. Jeet sir, there's an update regarding TAN applications as well. I understand old Form 49B has been replaced with new TAN Forms 134 and 135.
That's right. The earlier Form 49B has now been replaced by two new forms, Form 134 and Form 135.
What's the difference?
Form 134 is meant for government applicants, while Form 135 applies to companies, firms, LLPs, and individuals. This clear classification removes ambiguity.
Any major compliance changes?
Yes, for non-government applicants, PAN is now mandatory. Supporting documents are required, and the date of birth or date of incorporation must be clearly mentioned. This ensures faster and more accurate allotment of TAN.
So the idea is cleaner data and quicker processing.
Exactly. Less confusion, fewer errors, and genuine applicants receive their TAN much faster.
Simpler, faster, reliable. That's the new TAN process. See you in the next episode.